Okay, this is a quick video with instructions on how to complete today's activity for those of you that were not in Zoom. This is called matching formulas. So you have a list of substances going down the left-hand side in this first column. And here in the box it says formula. You have to pick one of these chemical formulas that you believe matches the name of the substance. So you're going to have to use some context clues and a periodic table um, to figure out which ones are which. Okay, so for example, we'll do an easy one, oxygen gas. There's only one thing up here that could be oxygen gas. So I would click and drag the formula for oxygen and put it in that box like that. And then in this box, you're drawing the structure. Now, of course, you can't draw because you're not here at school with pen and paper. So I've given you some shapes down here, and here's the key for those shapes and what shape they are. So here for oxygen, you notice that there are two of them. So I would come down here and I see that oxygen is a triangle. So I would grab one triangle and put it in the box. And because there's two of them, I would grab another triangle and put it in the box and make sure that the two are as close to each other as possible because they are bonded together. Don't just randomly place two triangles like that in the box. Okay, so you need to make sure that those two are as close to touching as possible. So this would be the formula, this would be the structure, and then in this box, you double click and you type in whether or not you believe that's a compound, a molecule, or both. And remember, we've already had an activity where you've had to do this. Remember that all compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. Okay, so that is how you complete the first page. On the second page, again, you have the key, you have a structure that I provided for you, and your job in these text boxes is to type out what you believe the formula for this model to be. Okay, so you see you have triangles here. So that would mean that triangles are probably oxygen. Don't forget to count how many triangles you have because those are the numbers that go down here in the subscript box. Um, the element symbols go into the yellow boxes. So you have to determine what elements are in this model. And then in these boxes, you're typing in the yellow boxes, you're typing in the element symbol. And in the green boxes, you're typing in the subscript. Okay, so hopefully that gives you an idea of what you need to do. Of course, if you're having issues, you can always email me and ask whatever questions that you need. All right, guys, good luck.